Hi dear students, welcome to RYT channel. Last video we have discussed about the PGCD solved question papers, and the first topic we discussed was number series. In this video we are going to discuss about our second topic, that is coding and decoding. Let us have a look at some of the examples. For example, you will receive the question something like this: if mind becomes KGLB and argue becomes YPESC, then what will diagram be in that code? So this is basically called as coding and decoding. What they do is they will give some letters, and the question will tell it becomes something else. Then we need to find out what is the relationship between those two letters or those two words. Then it will be easy. So for example, let us have a look at the solution. If mind becomes KGLB, so what I did was I wrote mind, below that I wrote KGLB. So if I observe carefully, this first word has 4 letters and the second word also has 4 letters. Okay, and first word was M. In the first word, the first sentence was M. In the second word, first letter is K. So in the first word, first letter was M. In the second word, first letter was K. So it means it has moved 2 steps back. For example, M, before M, if you look at the alphabets, it will be KL. It will be something like that. KLM. If you observe ABCD, EFGH, IJ, KLM. So actually it has gone back. M, L, one gap, then it has come back to K. So it has moved 2 steps backward. Similarly, GHI, it has gone reverse. I, H is moved, H is not there, then G has come. So similarly, N, JKLMN. So M is missing, L is written. BCD. If you observe, C is missing, D is written. So similarly, we have to just go back. For example, for diagram, what we will do is D will become B, I will become G, A will become Y, G will become E, R will become P, A will become Y, M will become K, in that logic. Okay, so the answer is option A, PGYEPYK. Let us look at the next question. If TOUR tour is written in a certain code as 1234, clear as 56784 and spare as 90847, what will be the fifth digit for sculpture? Okay, so if you compare the letters and the digit, TOUR is 1234. It means T is written as 1, O is written as 2, U is written as 3, R as 4. That's how they have written. Clear, if you observe, C is written as 5, L as 6, E as 7, A as 8. Similarly, spare, if you observe, S is written as 9 and P is written as 0. Rest of the things we know, A, R, E, we already know. So now what they are asking is, what will be the fifth digit for sculpture? If you observe the word sculpture, fifth digit means SCULP. So P is the fifth digit. If you observe this question, P means we know that P is denoted by 0. So which means the answer will be 0. That is option D, 0. Now let us go to the question papers now. This is MBA 2019 question paper. Actually, if you observe the question, this question was wrong. So grace mark was given to all the students for this question. But anyhow, I have solved this question. Let us have a look. They say adventures is written as TDRESAUVEN. It means A is written as T, D is D, V is R. So what they have done actually in this question is, the complete letter word was divided into 2, and first letter is interchanged with sixth letter, third one was interchanged with 8, fifth one was interchanged with 10. So the answer will be IUIPGSSRNR. I'll just show you the question once again. This question was completely wrong. It is nowhere related to the options, so the grace mark was given. One more question. If zebra can be written as 2652181, how can cobra be written? Okay, If you observe, remember that we have given alphabets and we have given numbers in our previous video. We had done that. Okay, for example, A, we have given a letter number as 1, B as 2, C means 3. Like that, if you do, Z will be 26. Okay, so now if you observe Z and if you observe the numbers, it is 26. Okay, E will be at fifth place, 5. B will be second letter, so 2. R will be 18. A will be the first letter, 1. So if you observe the code, 26, 5, 2, 18, 1 means zebra. Similarly, cobra means C is letter 3, letter number 3. O is 15. Next one is B, R, A remains the same. I have shown here also. Just observe. On the left hand side, you can just see simply I have put numbers above the letter and below the letter also, just in case, forward or backward. If you observe here, yellow color letters, zebra, Z is 26, E is 5, B is 2, R is 18, A is 1. So this is zebra. And similarly for cobra, C means 3, O means 15, then the other things remain the same. So the answer will be 3 Z, cobra, right? Yeah, cobra is 3, then 15, 2, 18, 1. That is the answer. Let us go to one more question. Now let us see MCA question papers. In MBA they have asked for 2 marks total, but MCA actually they have asked these questions for 5 marks, which are very easy. Pond is written as RSTL. Here is written as what? See here, if you observe, P becomes R. If you observe, P becomes R. Leaving Q, P becomes R. Next O becomes S. It means PQR is left out, then it becomes S. Then N becomes T, which means OPQRS, then T. D becomes L. So if you observe, for the first letter, only 1 letter difference is there. For the next letter, 3 letters difference is there. For the next letter, 5 letters difference is there. For the last one, 7 letter difference. It means it is like 1 letter difference, 3 letter difference, 5 letters, 7 letters difference. Similarly, if you apply the same logic for here, H, 1 letter difference, I, it becomes J. After E, 3 letters different, it becomes I. Then A, 5 letters difference, it becomes G. R, 7 letters difference, it becomes Z. So the option will be JIGZ, that is option D. This will be the answer. Okay. Next question is, if E is equal to 5, pen is equal to 35, then page is equal to what? You remember that in the previous MBA question paper we have discussed this. If you put numbers to each alphabet, then it is very easy. So for example, A, B, C, D, E. E means 5th letter. So E is equal to 5 we have put. P, N is equal to 35, that is telling. Letter P is at 16th position. So 16th number plus E means 5 plus N means 14. If you add all three, it will be 35. Pen is equal to 35. Similarly, page, P means 16, A means 1, G means 7, E means 5. If you add all of them, it becomes 29. So answer is C, option C, 29. Okay. Let us see one more. There will be one more type of question. Sometimes they will give symbols. Okay. So here if you observe, brain is written as, there are some symbols, and TIER is written as some symbols are there. How rent is written in that code. So B, if you compare, it is asterisk. Then R, if you compare, it is that percentage sign. A, if you compare, it is divided by sign. I, if you compare, it is ash. N, if you compare, it is small x or into mark, small into mark. Similarly, TIER, if you compare T, it is dollar sign. I means hash. E means plus sign. R means percentage symbol. Similarly, now they are asking what is rent. R we know already from here. It is percentage symbol. R means percentage symbol. E means we know that already. Plus N also we know X is there or small into mark is there. T means dollar sign is there. So answer is option C. Okay. So these type of questions will be there which are very easy to score. And remember, for MCA they have asked for 2 marks, 2 questions they have asked, 4 marks plus 1 mark also 1 question. So for MCA they have asked this for 5 mark. For MBA they have asked for 2 marks. So usually between 2 to 5 marks these questions will come, and which are very easy to score. I hope this video has been helpful to you. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Our channel name is, this video is brought to you by RYT Recharge Your Talent. Thank you so much.